In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change ammo in Satisfactory. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Satisfactory, you will have plenty of different types of ammo, and to freely switch between them, the devs implemented a specific keybind that allows you to do it quicker. So all that you have to do to open the ammo wheel and switch between all of the ammo types that you currently have on your inventory is to hold R. So by holding R on your keyboard, you will be able to select from the wheel. So hold the reload button, which should be R by default, and you will be able to select among the wheel. So use your mouse and highlight the specific ammo that you would like to use. You can either click or press the reload button again, and this will swap out the ammo. You will be able to release R, and you will be able to use and load the selected ammo. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish. And like I said, the default button for PC is going to be R. You can go over into the control settings of the game and change it from there, but this isn't needed. So keep that in mind whenever you need to swap ammo types. So for example, if a type is loaded into a rebar gun, usually you need to hold it into your active hand slot, hold R, and then swap ammo types, for example, before you can actually swap between them and use different types of ammo. So always put it on your active hand slot and hold R to swap the ammo that is currently loaded into any tool or gun available in Satisfactory. And like I said, if R is inconvenient or you don't like that button, you will be able to find the option to change the keybinds when you go over to the game options and you change it in there. You will be able to swap between various different ammo types, and as long as you have them on your inventory, they should appear on this wheel that you can see on screen. If you are playing using a controller, you just have to bind this button elsewhere. I hope I was able to help you on how to change ammo in Satisfactory. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.